we've said it before, it's worth repeating. Pure storage is it's way beyond storage, as we know, and you all have arrived on the scene and are really helping unlock these capabilities for these various departments and agencies. Give us a state of status to where things are today.
Oh, thank you, Luke. And I echo Eileen's sentiments. It's an honor to be here, and definitely an honor to be speaking with these amazing government executives. The data explosion that everybody predicted about a decade ago is really upon us. We are awash in a tidal wave of data. From the perspective of human cognition and the velocity and latency of decision making, that obviously poses some serious challenges. We've instrumented the world, and now we've got a ton of data that we need to rationalize, synthesize, and ultimately execute off of. And the computational power to do that and the software models for enabling us to do that have evolved rather rapidly to enable us to start wrapping our arms around this. But the challenge that we face is that the technologies on which we built our enterprises to get here are not the same kind of technologies or capabilities necessary to take advantage of language models that have billions of parameters and petabytes of data to sift through. So in order to address the modern data challenges, new technologies are necessary, particularly in the data management and data service component of the IT infrastructure. And that's really where we focus our attention, is how do we increase the velocity of data to compute in order to enable us to get through that data and understand what it can tell us much more rapidly. This is a critical component of artificial intelligence training. You've got to collect your data, clean your data, and then, of course, set your models loose on learning that data. And if you think about it, a kindergarten is 20 kids all receiving the same instruction at the same time. A large language model is several 100,000 kids all reading the same textbook at the same time, or worse, reading different textbooks at the same time. So the stress that puts on the data service infrastructure is monumental. The only way to really accomplish that is with massively parallelized data technologies that enable us to resource several 100,000 CPU cores trying to access data at the same time. Otherwise, it would be an extremely long period of time before we ever got any useful results out of the data sets that we have. So that's our focus, is how do we enable people to get the most out of their data in the shortest period of time.